Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on EA.com. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in EA.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official EA website. Now in order to log into your existing account, click on the account icon at the top right corner and then click on sign in. You will then end up within the login portal. Now you can choose your Google, your Facebook or other social accounts if you have connected them with your account, or you can proceed with entering your phone number or your email address. After typing either one of these, enter your account password underneath within the password box, and then click on the sign in button and you will be logged into your EA account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you will also find the forgot your password button underneath the sign in box, which you can click on to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on EA.com. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.